If you ask me why I love Pulkit, I don't know why I love him. I just do. I'm not nice. I'm very naughty. Chatting my feet sounds so bad. At one point, I was like, let's just get married and settle down. If you can just imagine Akshay sir saying, "मैं अबला हूँ, तबला नहीं," I think everyone will have a good laugh.
Hi Kriti, welcome to Girls Gotta Talk.
Thank you so much, Alina.
And speaking about your string of success, we have Houseful, which has been so amazing. It was so funny on the silver screen. What happened behind? Can you take us through that?
Actually, what happened behind was even more madness than what you've seen on set, because we have to edit most of our shots out, of course, especially when you're shooting an ensemble that's comical. And you have actors like Akshay sir and Bob and Ritesh, who are very good at what they do. I was doing this scene with Akshay sir and Ritesh. Ritesh is tying मेरी blouse का डोरी बांध रहे हैं वो, and Akshay sir comes into the room and he chatos my feet. And oh my god, I have died shooting that scene. Chatoing my feet sounds so bad, but that is what the shot was. And after that, I think it was when we were shooting that scene in which I say abla hu, tabla nahi. And Akshay sir walks up to me and he's like, मैं तेरा ये dialogue चुरा लूं please, like this is my favorite dialogue in the movie, मुझे ये dialogue बोलना है. And I remember him doing the exact same shot in BTS, like behind the scenes he was telling me how he would do it. And of course, we can't show that on camera, but if you can just imagine Akshay sir saying, "मैं अबला हूँ, तबला नहीं," I think everyone will have a good laugh.
Your take on women's safety?
We have to learn to protect ourselves. I think that's all that matters. I make sure that I always travel around with pepper spray and with a knuckle guard. I'm very clear about that. It's very, very important to understand and to accept that you have to be self-reliant, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Also, as an actor, you do have odd hours. I mean, sometimes work gets extended. And also, when you are on a film set, there are so many people that you come in contact with. Even as an actress who has an entourage, it is still important to, be your own guard.
I will not work with someone who does not respect another human being, man, woman, irrespective. So, touch wood, when you make those choices yourself and you know the people you're working with, you don't really have to, I think you can let your guard down just a little bit and be like, okay, I can be myself with these people. But what I mean when I say you need to protect yourself is कि आप किसी और के दिमाग में चीजें नहीं डाल सकती. You can't force someone to be educated on women's safety. It's unfortunate.
So you have been associated with Swiss India and you have been very vocal about holistic wellness. So what part has wellness played for you during this lockdown?
It's played a very, very important part. In fact, I did make some mistakes. What I think the mistake that I made is when we were in this lockdown and things were so uncertain, sometimes you tend to be a little extra lenient with yourself and you don't follow your routine the way you did. I have to give credit where it's due. It was actually with the help of Pulkit that I, got back into my routine, because for me, suddenly it felt like so much is happening and oh my God, I need to start working out and I haven't done this and I haven't done that. And it tends to make me anxious. And he just sat me down and he said, change one thing about your routine and everything else will follow.
You made your debut in Telugu films and then you came to the Hindi language films, which is the Hindi film industry. So how has the ride been for you so far?
So I was born in Delhi, but I studied in Bangalore. So I learned a little bit of Kannada back in school, but that was just, I was one of those students who I would score really good marks, but all I did was mug whatever was given. Eventually, when I think I got the opportunity to become an actor, even at that point, it was never something that I had planned on doing for myself, or I had never planned that I would continue being an actor. I took the opportunity because I wanted to try something. I was always looking for a plan B because I wasn't sure if this is what I want to continue and do. I was always a very, very creative person. So I thought I'd either dabble in jewelry because I have a diploma in jewelry designing. At one point, I was like, let's just get married and settle down. So that was another option in my head. So I was all over the place. But someone who meets me always thinks that I am mature and I know what I want to do with my life and I'm careful. But the ones who know me pretty closely know that I got my act together only in the last 3 months. would definitely find a lot of bangles in my drawer because, yeah, actually, I don't think anyone knows this about me, but I love bangles. Like, it really, really excites me. But I think feminism for me is equality. It's just equality. We are not asking to be above anybody else or below anyone else. We are equals, and I don't even know why we have to debate about this. Like, प्यार तो प्यार होता है यार. You can't say कि generation के साथ अगर प्यार बदल रहा है तो फिर I belong to old school only. So I don't know what the definition of new world love is. So pole dancing came to me as a combination of feeling graceful, feeling good about myself, feeling sexy, feeling strong, and at the same time I was working out. So for me, pole dancing over a period of time has become first love. Doesn't exist. I think one time I must have said that I want to buy a peacock. Said I want to buy a peacock क्योंकि वो इतने सुंदर लगते हैं और उनके पंखों के साथ I don't remember, like my sister told me this. She's like, Didi, you're constantly talking about getting animals and painting your room a really funny color, and when I say nothing else, apparently I keep saying mama, mama, mama. Being naughty. Not nice. I'm very naughty.
Thank you so much. Thank you for talking to me. This has been
Not at all, Elena.
It's been so awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Kriti Kharbanda. Please like, share and subscribe to How to Fly.